him a house on a hill. He'll play country music till you've had your fill. He's a fireman's friend, he's an all-night DJ, but he sure don't think much like the records that he plays. He's a drugstore truck driving man. He's the head of the Ku Klux Klan. When the summer comes rolling around, he'll be lucky if he's still in town. He's been like a father to me. He's the only DJ you can hear after 3. He's got heavy metal and he won in Vietnam. Weighs 500 pounds and sleeps like a damn man. She's a drugstore truck driver man. He's the head of the Ku Klux Klan. When the summer comes rolling around, he'll be lucky if he's still in town. Don't like the young folks I know. I heard him one night on his video show. I'm an all-night singer in a rock and roll band. And if you don't dig me, well, I don't give a damn, 'cause he's a drugstore truck driving man. He's the head of the Ku Klux Klan. When the summer comes rolling around, we'll be lucky if he's still in town. He'll be lucky if he's still in town. We'll be lucky if he's still in town.